Good morning, old Slick here. How's everybody doing on this nice, cool morning? Well, I'm still working on my pizza oven, and I'm at the point right now. I had to order some refractory cement, and I'm waiting on that to get in. Still waiting to get my bricks, and I'm gonna pick my bricks after that. But in the meantime, today I'm going to make a trammel or an indispensable tool. Let me turn this thing around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, when I build this pizza oven, of course, this is going to be about a 36-inch dome. It's going to come up, okay? It's going to be about 18 inches high. Okay, in order to lay these bricks in a perfect circle, then also, as you lay them, how to get them to come up into the proper arch, we're going to make a trammel or an indispensable tool. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. Okay, now I did this, I'm trying to use materials that I already have. So I got a couple of these old shiplap boards. I think it's going to do fine. So the first thing I did is I cut this off to length. And now I'm fixing to go ahead and I'm going to find the center of this board. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut these in these points off of both of these ends. And also I'm going to need a third piece that's going to go out the other direction, which I'll explain in a minute. This other piece, it'll go from here to that point. Now, this whole thing will be built over this, and I've got to be able to get this thing out. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to make this where I can disassemble it. Okay, this is 18 inches and 1/8 from here to here. Same thing from here to here. So from this center line, I need to make 18 and 1/8 out that way. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the board long enough to reach out to here. So I'm going to cut that along there somewhere. And put them back in the same hole. Otherwise, when I cut that board, I'm going to lose that, whatever the width of that blade is, I'm going to lose that. Same holes. Okay, at this point, I've taken an old caster. I had to knock this pin out. I had to actually cut it, grind it off to get that ready. Now I'm fixing to drill a hole. I narrowed that down a little bit so that'd fit in there nicely. I've got to put a piece of wood right here to catch the edge of these bricks. So when I raise them up, it'll follow it up. And you're going to get to see some, obviously some demonstrations of this when I use it. Got to make sure I get this rotation point right in the center. weird to think about something so crude, especially with my building skills, can be so important. But the trammel has been used for centuries by engineers. I put the brick right in that nook right there, top of the brick, push it down, set it in place. And as I move all the way around, I position my bricks. That is, my friend, a trammel, or more recently known as the indispensable tool. And actually, there's no way I could build this without that. I really want to do this just for the challenge. So, hey man, hope this works out. And like I said, I've got my refractoring mortar ordered. I got my thermal blanket ordered. I got a few more things, and I'm gonna go pick up my bricks either maybe this afternoon or tomorrow and go ahead and start laying the bricks down in the bottom. But anyway, hey, I know you're gonna do what you're gonna do, so y'all be particular. All right.